Hello, I'm going to show you how to use the Memory Fragmentation Test application with C++ Memory Validator. First thing we need to do, click the launch icon and click the browse button to select the application. So I'm going to choose mvfragmentationexe and click go. Choose the virtual tab, change the update interval to 1 second and bring the application to the foreground. Move the application down out of the way so we can see most of the virtual memory. I'm going to choose the 20 megabyte small 1 megabyte test because I know this generates memory fragmentation quite quickly. I'm going to enable the warning dialog and I'm going to create a log file so that I can make a log of everything that we're doing and inspect that afterwards to see any allocations that fail. So start the test by clicking the Fragmentation Test button, and very quickly it fails. Runs just over 2,000 successfully, then one of them fails and asks me if I want to try again or if I don't really care. I'm going to say no because it won't succeed. Now, as you can see up here in the virtual window, you can see the memory has been used, and you can see very clearly the effect of memory fragmentation on the virtual memory landscape. It's been used up and it's left some little holes there that you can't use, and that's the nature of the fragmentation happening. Now if I view the log file and you scroll down here, you can see these exclamation marks. That's where the memory location has changed. The frag one's always going to change because they're always new, and on this test they live forever, so they only get cleaned up at the end of the test. So we go right down to the bottom, we'll see that at least one of them's failed, and there you go. That small allocation has failed rather than the large one. The large ones would have continued for a bit longer and gone down there, but the small ones, they've just run out of space on the C runtime heap. So that's memory fragmentation demonstrated with mvfragmentationexe and C++ Memory Validator. Thank you very much.